Hello, so right now we're looking at question number 2. So the graph shows a periodic function, f of x is equal to a sine bx plus c plus d. We're given the graph of f of x. So for number 1, we have to find the horizontal shift. The horizontal shift is going to be -5 because this is the first time that the line intersects the average value. And so the average value is going to be equal to 0 because to find the average value, you take the max plus the min and divide that by 2, so you get 0. So here we have that average value. Next, we have to find the amplitude, and the amplitude is going to be how high up the graph goes from the average value line. And to find that, it's the max minus the min divided by 2, and so we get 20. So right here, the amplitude is 20. And to find the period, it's going to be this part of the graph, the first time it's positive intersects, so basically from like the horizontal shift, and then all the way until it intersects the line again from the bottom. So that is going to be 20 because it's from 5 to 25. And then we have to find the values of A, B, C, and D. So the value of A is going to be equal to the amplitude already, so we're given that. And then the value of B, to find that, you're going to take 2 pi over the period value. So it's 2 pi over 20, which gives you 0.314. The value of C is going to be the horizontal shift times the B value. So that is -5 times 2 pi over 20, which gives you -1.571. And the value of D is equal to 0 because that is the average value. So then finally, putting it all together, you get a new equation. So it's going to be f of x is equal to 20 sine, which is going to be your A value, times 0.314b plus -1.571, and then you don't have to put in the D value since it is 0. And so now we have to find the maximum and minimum function values of the periodic function. G of x is equal to 32 sine 1.23x minus 5.16 minus 9. So in order to do that, I just graphed it on my calculator here, and I found the maximum point and then the minimum point. So the maximum value is going to be 23, and the minimum value is -41. And you can see I checked it right here. So 23 basically plus 41 divided by 2 gives you 32. So that is question 2.